Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Just a quick one today. I have managed to get most of my winter protection in place. Just going to take a quick walk around as we are due to have a frost in the next couple days. It does look like it's going to be prolonged period of cold, so getting down to the kind of 0 degree temperatures or even -1s at night with around about kind of anywhere between sort of 5 to 10 degrees C during the day. Now, of course, with a lot of this, guys, just to show you, and apologies, there's a lot of mess around the garden. Just to show you guys here, so what we've done is this is one of these small Musa Bastu. I've now trimmed that back, put the winter protection on just to cover it there. You can see we've got straw along the ground. This is just, again, to boost some of that soil temperature throughout the winter. As we come around here, you can just see, guys, again, a little bit of straw protection underneath. Really not doing too much, though. At the moment here, guys, again, it's not, -6, -7s, -8s. We're talking kind of -2s. Most of this probably wouldn't need any form of protection. But on the caution side, guys, I have covered, again, the sycamensis here, which you may see from our previous video in regarding to protecting this. So if you're interested to see how to protect your Musa Bastu or Musa sycamensis, certainly check that video out. Just panning around here, guys, mini golf, really done nothing too. A little bit of straw along some of the Trachycarpus palms. Again, guys, off the back here, you can just see we've got the large Musa Bastu clump. Now, what you may notice here, guys, I've got half of it completely protected. The other half is not protected at all. And essentially what I'm going to do, guys, is it's quite a big clump. I'm going to do an experiment this year just to see how it fares without protection, being this sort of size now compared to being protected. So a bit of an experiment on that side, guys. The smaller plants, again, I've covered. Reason being is there's a lot less kind of culm and root under the soil, so just giving it that little extra protection. With the larger plants, of course, yes, guys, they've got a lot bigger kind of root system, so hopefully should fare okay. Just coming around down here, guys, we'll come around back this way. And you can just see here, guys, in pond wise, I have moved the entrance pipe just to create some water, movement essentially while this is still being worked on, guys. I don't really want to run the whole stream system alongside that. It's just not enough water movement. So for now, just going to use that hose pipe there to just keep the water agitated in here just while it gets cold. I don't expect this to freeze over. It's quite a large body of water. But of course, there's the small pond fish are in here just for the winter. Again, that deep water should hopefully protect them there as well. Just coming along the back, guys, you can just see as we come through here, looking at the Dicksonia Antarctica tree fern, just to the inside, guys. Really just packed a few leaves into that one, so really not going crazy on that one at the moment. The smaller plants I have pretty much covered with straw. Reason being is they will need more protection than your larger plants here, as you can see. Now, with the large new Dicksonia 2-footer here, guys, this will be coming in just before that cold spell. Again, with it being new and sort of new to the country and everything, I don't really want to shock it. It's first winter here. Give it a little bit extra protection and it should be fine. You can see the large one has rooted into the ground. Again, just going to be putting some straw onto that one there as well. But of course, guys, if you if you haven't subscribed to the channel, certainly subscribe to follow along. Like helps the channel to grow, and we'll see you on the next one.